Welcome you all back to this channel with another great and a powerful strategy. You know how we do it. We always bring these amazing strategies to you guys so you guys can use it and make money on forex, because like I always say, we all came to forex to make money. No one came to forex to lose money. So that's why whenever I have the opportunity to come out with a winning strategy, I always have to share it with you guys so we all can use it and make money for ourselves. So guys, thanks for coming back to the channel, and those that have subscribed, thank you very much. And those that have not subscribed, please, I would like you to click the subscribe button. It doesn't take anything from you, it doesn't take your money, just for you to subscribe, because it's not easy always coming up here to share knowledge with you guys for free. But all I'm asking is just for you to subscribe. That's the only thing you can do for me. And thanks for subscribing, guys. And don't forget to also share the video to your friends, like the video and leave some sweet comments, and turn on your notification to always get notified whenever I drop a new video online. So guys, quickly before we start, I'd like you guys to quickly check on the description page. You'll see a link to my Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group where I drop amazing strategies. I drop amazing materials for your daily trading and how you can improve on forex. And I also drop signals once in a while. But if you really want to join a group where you get 45 signals daily, profitable signals that you use in making money, so you click on the WhatsApp link on the description page and talk to me directly so we can talk, and I can tell you how you can join the VIP Telegram group where I drop profitable signals and you make a whole lot of money for yourself. And don't forget, we also run a mentorship program. And guys, I can mold you to become the best of the best in forex business. Just hit me up. Let's make this money together. So guys, let's start. So today strategy, I call it a 3-in-1 strategy, because you use it in scalping boom and crash, and you can use it in catching spikes in boom and crash. So guys, just sit back and watch this video to the end and watch it with a better understanding, so you can actually use this strategy, because it's really profitable and reliable. I suggest you use it on your charts so you can make money. Okay guys, so quickly before we start, I would like to share with you the indicators we'll be using for the charts. But first of all, I have to take out all these indicators. Let's all put it together so you can know how it is. Okay, now I'm taking up all the indicators. So we are going to be adding these indicators one by one so you can follow up and to make sure you don't do any mistake. Okay guys, so the first indicator we'll be adding here will be on the main chart, the moving average. Okay guys, and the moving average here will have the period. Okay, the period of 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to open, and the style is 4 pixel, and I'm using a black color. And after that it's done, this is how it look like. Okay, this is how your screen will look like. So the second indicator we'll be adding here will be the moving average. We are using 2 moving averages here. The second one will still be on your main chart, the moving average, but this time around we have the period of 5, shift 0, method simple, apply to open, style is 4 pixel, and I'm using a red color. So guys, make sure you screenshot this or you pause the video and write them down correctly so you don't do any mistake. And after that, it's done. And this is how your chart will look like. Okay, so the next indicator we'll be adding here this time around will be on the indicator window 1. That will be the stochastic oscillator. And the stochastic oscillator, the key period is 1. Just guys, just screenshot this and make sure it looks this way. Just make sure it looks this way, don't change anything, guys. The period is 1, the period is 1, slowing is 1, price field is close, method is simple, the styles is 4 pixel. Make sure you're using the color of your background. If your background is black, make sure you use black. If your background is white, make sure you use white. And the levels here will be a level 13, which is our buy level. A level 60 is a TP level. A level 88 is a sell level. Level 30 is a TP level. And after that, click done. And this is how your screen will look like on the window indicator 1. And then another indicator we'll be adding here will be still on the indicator window 1, will be the relative strength index. The relative strength index, the period here is 4, apply to close, style is 4 pixel black, and there are no levels here. And after that, you click done. And this is how your indicator window 1 will look like. So the last indicator will be adding here will still be on our indicator window 1 and will still be our relative strength index. This time around we have the period of 5. Period of 5, apply to close, style is 4 pixel, and the color I'm using here will be let me use a brown color. There are no levels here. And after that, it's done. So guys, after we finish inserting these indicators, the first thing we want to do now is knowing the zoom level for this strategy. So what we are going to do now, we are going to zoom this chart completely out. Okay, zoom it completely out, the last part, and after that you zoom in 3 times. First one, you zoom in first. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. That is the zoom level we'll be using for this strategy. First of all, zoom out the chart completely. Okay, so zoom in the chart completely to the last part, and then you zoom out 3 times. Okay guys, so after doing that, the next thing we'll do now is knowing when to buy and when to sell. Okay, knowing when to buy and when to sell depends on the pay, the pay you are on. If you're on crash, that means you have to buy. If you're on boom, that means you have to sell. Because scalping, okay, when you're scalping, you're actually trading against the spike. Okay, so if you're on boom, you're selling. If you're on crash, you're buying. But we are on boom 1000 now, and that means we'll be buying. So when is the right time for us to buy? Okay, the right time for us to buy, okay guys, it's all right. So we are sorry, like I said, we are on boom and we are selling because we are scalping. So when is the right time for us to sell? So the right time for us to sell, it's when you look at your indicator window 1 and you see the price getting up to this level, the level 80 here, and the moment you see the price getting up to this level 80, and you see the two indicators here, getting up to this level, you have to be a little bit patient, and you have to wait for the black indicator you're seeing here. You have to wait for the black one to cross the gold one, as you're seeing here, to the down level. Okay, you have to make sure that the two indicators are up to this level, level 88, which is the overbought level. And when that happens, you have to wait for the black indicator to cross the gold indicator down like this. As you can see, the moment that happens, you see the price started coming down. Okay, the price started coming down, and when that happens, that tells you that it's almost time for you to make that trade. And when that happens, you don't just jump into the trade. You have to wait for a second confirmation, because this is the first confirmation. The first confirmation is, waiting for the two indicators, the black and gold indicator you're seeing here, to hit the level 88, which is the overbought level. And the second confirmation is when you see the black indicator crossing the gold one down like this. And when that happens, you look over your main charts. You have to make sure that the same thing happens here. Okay, the same thing happens here. You have to wait till when you see the red indicator here crossing the black one here. The moment you see this happening, the moment you see this red indicator crossing the black one, that is when you enter your trade. So this is your entry. Okay guys, this should be your entry. This should be your entry, guys. Here should be your entry. So like I said, the first condition, okay, it's when you see the two indicator here, the black and the gold indicator here, reaching the level 88, which is the overbought level. And the second condition is when you see this, you have to make sure that, because in forex patience is very, very important. You have to be patient so you don't jump into trade and have wrong entries and start losing money. So what you just have to do is you have to be patient for the right time for you to make that perfect entry. Okay, so how do you get this perfect entry? How to get this is you have to wait for the first condition, which is the black and gold indicator, to hit the level 88 here, which is the overbought level. And after that, and you also wait for the black indicator to cross the gold one down like this. The moment that happens, that tells you that it's almost time for you to make that trade. And before you make that trade, you have to wait for the red indicator you're seeing here to cross the black one like this down. And as you can see, the moment this happens, you see the price started going down. Okay, the price started going down. So what you just need to do is, when once this red indicator black crosses the black one like this, okay, you open your position, like you sell. And when you sell, you pick just 5 to 6 candlesticks and you close the market. Okay, close the market. And if you want to hold, for some time, that is why we had this that is why we have this TP here, so if you're actually selling and you're on boom and you're selling, this should be your TP. The moment you see these indicators reaching this level 60, that is when you close your trade. You don't stay longer than this position. When once you see these indicators reaching this level 60, that's on boom. If you are selling, and once you see this black and gold indicator reaching this level here, this is your take profit. You close your positions and you take your profits. I won't advise you to stay longer than that, because at any moment it passes this position, it's risky, because there might be a spike, and when a spike happens, it takes away your profits and puts you in losses. So it's always advisable, but once you see all these conditions correctly and you enter your trade, please don't stay longer than this position here. Make sure the moment this indicators reaches this position, you close your trade with profit. So guys, Let me show you another example of what I'm talking about. As you can see here, guys, this this indicators here didn't get up to this level 88. So at this point, I wouldn't advise you to take that trade. You just leave that trade to be at that moment, because the only time I can assure you to take this trade is when you see these indicators reaching the level 88. It's advisable you take the trade at that moment. But if it doesn't get to that level, like this one you're seeing here, it's not as if it can't sell at that moment. It can sell, but it's risky, it's not advisable. So if it happens like this, don't take the trade. The only time you have to take the trade is when you see stuff like this. Okay. So like what I'm saying, as you can see, here, this indicator didn't get to this level 88. Okay, so if you just look on your main chart, you can see that the price didn't sell for long. As you can see, it didn't sell for long, and there was a spike here. So had it been you take the trade, had it been you take this trade, that means a spike might have gotten you and probably put you in losses. So it's not advisable you take the trade at this level. But once you see the indicators not reaching this level 88, it's very advisable you don't take such trade. You just leave and wait for the right time. And what is the right time? Okay, so this is the right time, guys. Let me show you guys a perfect condition to take the trade. Okay, so this is a perfect condition for you to take the trade. As you can see, here, the price got up to the level 88, which is the overbought level. As you can see here, the gold and the black indicators got up to this level, which is the level 88, the overbought level. And as you can see, the black indicator crosses the gold indicator like this, and as you can see, the price went all the way down to here, to your TP, and this is where you close your trade. Okay, guys, so as you can see from here, that the red indicator crosses the black one here, and you took 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 candles, and you close the trade. So I wouldn't even advise you to take up to 7. All I would just advise you to do is pick 1 2 3 4 5 6, because waiting for the 7 candles is risky. As you can see, there was a spike here. So if it happens and the spike is long like this, it will actually take you out from the market and put you in losses. So it's advisable you just pick 5 6 candlesticks is what I guarantee you. So guys, this strategy is very simple. As you can see, it's very simple as it is. It's not that complicated. It's just very straightforward and very easy and simple. All you just have to do is just wait for the right conditions, wait for the right time. Like I always say, be patient, because patience is very important in forex. If you are not patient, you rush into trades, and that's how you lose a whole lot of money. So you have to be patient, have to wait for the right time, have to wait for the perfect time for you to make that trade, have to wait for those perfect openings, have to wait for those perfect entry. And guys, I promise you, if you follow these rules the way it is, guys, it would be hard for you to lose money in forex. So all you just have to do is, if you're on boom and you're trying to scalp the market, all you just have to do is have to wait for these 3 conditions. The first condition, like I said, is when this black and gold indicator hits the level 88, which is the overbought level, as the first condition. And the second condition is when the black indicator crosses over the gold indicator like this, as you can see, the moment that happens, you see that the price started going down from this level. The moment the black and gold indicator hits the level 88, it's actually telling you that the price is about to go down. There's about to be a bearish trend, a bearish market. Okay guys, so as you can see, that the moment that happens and the black indicator crosses the gold one like this, as you can see, the price started going down. So when once you see these two conditions happening perfectly, you look over your main chart and you see the red indicator crossing the black indicator like this. You just pick, like you open your positions, you sell, you pick 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 candlesticks and you close the trade. It's as easy as that guys. It's very very reliable. Just try this on your trade and I guarantee you you're going to make a whole lot of money for yourself. Don't make any mistake, make sure you follow the conditions correctly and I guarantee you much profits. So guys, that's for boom. As for boom guys, so let's quickly go to crash. Let me show you how it works on crash. Okay, all right guys, this is crash guys, this is crash guys. So it's the same thing but it works on the opposite direction. So on crash, all you just have to do on crash is for you to wait for the same three conditions to happen. And how does this happen on crash? How it happen on crash is you have to wait for the black and gold indicator to hit the level 13 here, which is your buy position. As you can see, we wrote buy here, which is a buy position, and it's also the oversold level. So when once the market reaches the oversold level, which is the level 13 here, there's likely to be a retest. Okay, like the market will go up at this position, which will make it a bullish market. So when once you see this happening, once you see this condition, the black and the gold indicator hitting the level 13, all you just have to do is start getting ready for you to make some buy, because the market is going to be bullish at that level. So when once this happens and you see the black indicator crossing the gold one to the upside like this, and you look over your main chart, you see the red indicator crossing the black one like this, all you just need to do is pick your 5 to 6 candlesticks. As you can see, there are so many candlesticks here, but it's not advisable for you to stay this long because a spike might happen at any time. So how you just it's a scalping market. That's why they say scalping is one of the fastest way of trading in forex. It's a trade, like I said, it's like a jumping and jump out trade. You don't have to stay long, just pick 5 6 candlesticks and you're out of the market with profit. So when you're on crash, and how do you scalp on crash guys? This is how you scalp on crash. The first condition is you wait for the black and gold indicator to hit the level 13 here. Okay guys, when once that happens, you wait for the black one to cross the gold indicator like this, and you look over your main chart. The moment you see the red indicator crossing the black one like this, that's it's your entry. You open your positions and you take 5 to 6 candlesticks and you close the trade. And if you want to hold, which is not really advisable, if you want to hold, make sure you don't hold up to you don't allow it to pass the level 60 here. Level 60 here is your take profit. The moment you see the trade getting to this level 60, that is your take profit. Don't allow it to pass this level, because the moment it passes this level, it's so risky. So if you are holding after 6 candlesticks, make sure you don't hold more than this position, the level 60, which is your TP here. Make sure you take your profit at this level. So guys, this strategy is very simple. It's very simple. As you can see, it's very simple. So just try this on your trade and I guarantee you much profits for yourself. You can use this over and over again. The moment you use it and you close the market, you also wait for another opening for it to happen that the same way, and you take another trade, you close the market, you wait. So you can do this 20 times in a day and you make a whole lot of money for yourself. So guys, this is how it is. It's very easy guys, it's very easy, it's very easy and simple. Just try this and come back to leave some sweet comments on how it went on your trade guys. Thanks for watching the video, and please, before you leave, if you didn't subscribe to this channel, I'll guarantee you to subscribe now, because when you subscribe, whenever I drop a video, turn your notification. Whenever I drop a video, you always get a video from me, and I always drop some reliable strategies which people have been commenting me for it and telling me they've been using it and it has been changing their lives. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you've never subscribed before, subscribe, like the video, share the video to your friends, and don't forget to turn on your notification. Thank you guys for watching. See you some other time. Bye.